Hey everyone, welcome back to Being Agile, where we dive into entrepreneurship, motivation, and agile strategies. Today, we're exploring a fantastic way to kickstart your entrepreneurship journey in 2024. Ready to discover a fast and easy way to earn money online? Let's get started. In today's digital age, making money online is at our fingertips. One of the quickest and easiest ways to do so is through affiliate marketing. Let's uncover why affiliate marketing is a game changer in 2024. First, let's step back and understand what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. You don't need to create products, handle customer service, or manage inventory. It's a win-win for simplicity and profit. Now let's discuss why you should affiliate marketing in over other business. The allure of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity. You can start with minimal investment, as there's no need for inventory or product creation. Plus, you're not tied to customer support tasks. Your job is to promote and earn a commission on each sale. Isn't it the most simple, straightforward way to generate income? Let's get to the main point: how to start affiliate marketing. First, choose a niche you're passionate about. Research and select reputable affiliate programs within that niche. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASL offer a wide range of products. After selecting the platform, create engaging content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, and incorporate your affiliate links. Leverage tools like Bitly for link shortening and tracking. Remember, authenticity is key. Promote what you genuinely believe in. Now let's talk about the tools and resources. To make your affiliate journey smoother, use tools like Google Analytics for performance tracking, Canva for creating eye-catching visuals, and Buffer for social media scheduling. Still need motivation? Countless individuals have turned affiliate marketing into a profitable venture. From promoting tech gadgets to lifestyle products, the possibilities are endless. Be agile, adapt your strategy, and learn from the successes of others. Your journey in affiliate marketing is not just about earning, it's about learning, growing, and enjoying the process. And there you have it, a fast and easy way to earn money online with affiliate marketing. If you found this guide valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights. Also share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.